Hello, welcome back. Now in the last video we noticed a problem. We tried to delete a project which had tasks associated with it. Now if we deleted the project, the task was still referencing the non-existing project. Now obviously that's not a good thing. So we need to fix some stuff in our migrations here. So we need to add some rules in our database of what happens to a task when the associated project gets deleted. Now in this case, a project ID of a task is nullable. So we can safely set the value of the column project ID to null once the project gets deleted. But here we run into a issue with SQLite. In SQLite, it is not allowed or not working to add such a statement in a migration that alters a table. Only in migrations that create a table. So I'm gonna delete this line here and add it to the tasks table. And there it should work. And now I'm gonna do something pretty ugly, but our database or our project is still in development. So what I'm gonna do here is add the timestamp of the migration. This changes the order in which our migrations are run. So with this being done, we first run the create projects table and afterwards the create tasks table. And we need this because we have a foreign ID to project ID in our tasks table now. So if this were the other way around, we could not create this foreign ID because the projects table would only exist into the next migration. So that would not work. So now this migration is empty, so we can delete that. And there are other foreign key constraints in our database as well. So here we are referencing the users table. Now if we delete a user, what we want to happen to the tasks of this user is that all these tasks get deleted. So we do that by adding this cascade on delete. So the delete is cascaded to downwards models or related models. So if we would now delete the creator, the tasks that are related to this creator will also get deleted. And we will do the same for projects. So in here, also add the cascade on delete. And let's run our migrations from the start now. Now let's next test out this case that we had in the previous video. So open up the Tinker shell and let's create a project. I think that's still here. Yeah. We now have a project and let's create a task for this project. And let's now see what happens when we delete the project. So currently for this task, the project ID is 1. If we delete the project, then we need to get the task again. It is task with ID 1 and we need without global scopes here because we filter on the creator in the task model. So let's get this task now, and now we see that the project ID is set to null, so that works properly. Now let's grab the user of this task, so that is user with ID 2. And let's delete this user as well and check for our task, and now this task doesn't exist anymore. So with the delete of the user, all its tasks are gone as well from the database, and that's what we want here. See you in the next video.